Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are great. Today we will talk about don't and won't. Don't is used to stop someone from doing something. First, look at the pronunciation of this word. It is not want, it is won't with a diphthong. There is a glide like a wave here, won't. So when you want to stop someone from any action, for example, he's playing and you want to say you want he should stop playing, then you would use don't. You don't play there. You is again hidden. You is hidden. Simply say don't play outside. Don't play outside. That means you want to stop your son, your daughter from playing outside. So what did you use? Don't plus verb's first form. Actually, this don't is used in present simple tense when you say I don't play. I don't play outside usually. Outside usually or often. That means there is a repetition here. Repetition, you are repeating the action. So there is a repetition here. You repeat this action on daily basis, or you do it on every weekend, or you do it every year. So you don't play often. That means you play sometimes. Sometimes. So, but in the last lecture, I told you about how to order someone, and for order, for imperative sentences, when you have to order someone for doing something, you use first form. First form means the previous example we discussed, bring me a glass of water, write an email. Write is the first form. You are trying to order someone. Write an email. Write an email. That means you're trying to order someone, or you're trying to request someone. Please write an email. Please is for request. Anyways, but this is different. This is different from this. This is actually your repetition, your everyday work, but here you're trying to stop someone. Don't play outside. That means you should not play outside. And won't is used for future simple. Future simple. But this won't is used for warning. If you want to warn someone from doing something and you are strict in your conversation, you are trying to be strict, or you're showing your aggressive behavior, you won't play outside again. That means there is some sort of dangerous environment outside. Maybe some kidnappers are moving around, or maybe the weather condition is not good, or maybe the friends are not good. So you're trying to say someone, maybe your daughter or maybe your son, you're saying that do not play outside. You would say won't play outside again. That means you will not play. You will not play again. So you will not, it's won't. You won't play again. Play, there is again a glide here, a flexible sound. Play, day. So in British English you would see such structure often when they have a diphthong, like they would not say go, rather they would say go. Not play, rather play, play. And similarly, not want or want, rather it's won't, won't. This is the sign of diphthong here, won't, oh. Anyways, now you have to use different verbs here in order to make more sentences. For example, don't write on the paper. Write on the paper. Don't buy from this shop, don't buy, don't go, don't learn grammar, don't learn grammar. So this is the style. Don't help him, let him play, don't help him. That means you should not help him. Even you can also use must. You must not help him. Let him play, let him try, let him struggle himself. Like that means you should allow him to struggle himself and you should not support him, rather you have to teach him how to do the things. And another way, let me, I'm using this sentence structure, let me. Or let me is used, you may use let me with this structure, like don't play outside, let me tell you the reason. There are some kidnappers moving around. So let me is used to connect with this sentence structure. Don't write on the paper, let me give you a whiteboard. Don't write on the paper, let me give you a whiteboard. Don't use a permanent marker, let me give you a temporary marker. Don't sit here, let me give you a chair. So you're using double sentences, two sentences. This will improve your speaking stamina. For example, don't buy from this shop, let me take you to another one. So let me tell you about another shop or another place or another best place where you can buy in on cheaper rates. Anyways, I hope you got this sentence structure. Don't plus first form, and then won't plus first form, and then you have to connect the structure let me. Let me, that means allow me to do this. Let me go, that means allow me to go. Let me help you, that means allow me to help you. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please share with your friends. Take care. Bye.